You may have tired to see a lot of YouTube video on how to create a talking avatar, but not really helpful. Don't worry, in this video I am going to show you how to create talking AI avatar like this. As you can see, the avatar is branded with my logo and really resemble me. Have tried a lot of AI tools, but no one give me satisfying result as Leonardo AI. During my research, I found out that many people find it difficult to create an avatar without mask because of the mouth sync. There is a mind-blowing ways to create AI avatar in one click, in which I am going to show you towards the ends of this video. Head on to Leonardo AI, then click on Sign Up. This is how the interface of Leonardo AI look like. Then click on Image Creation. Make sure you select all the basic setting as you can see. Then click here to select Image to Image option. Then click to upload the reference image. Check the description below to get the reference image and the prompt. The result is wow. Then I arrive at this. The next step is to change the generated images to your face. But before that, it is really stressful and take a lots of time to create this video. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Head to fotour.com to swap the avatar face to yours. Click to upload the avatar image. Then click on the second circle to add your image. Click on Swap Face now. The avatar now resemble me. Now we need to animate our video. Visit artflow.ai. Then click on Video Studio. Click Create New Video from Scratch. Click on Upload, then select your image. Pick an image from your asset plan. Swipe forward to help Artflow to detect the face. Then type whatever you want your character to say. Click here to generate. Enter your file name. Then export the video. Wait for the lip sync to generate. This is the result. You now see that it is easier to create an avatar with no face mask. There is an ugly watermark at the top left corner of the video. Visit 1 to 3 apps, scroll down, then click on Remove Watermark from Video. Click on Upload. Select the image with watermark. Highlight the watermark. Click on Apply. Scroll down. Click on Export. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to create a video on how to create an avatar with nose mask. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.